What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. Today we're going to run out some downspouts to help prevent the basement from flooding out. So let's get right into it. All right, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taking this downspout, killing that from whatever they had before because it's all broken holes and everything. We're going to run this down the side, tie into this one, have it come out, Y over, come straight down, and then have it pop up over to here. So then that way the water can come out over here and help water his grass and less going into his basement. So let's get started. And well, it looks like we might have found the whole culprit of why everything wasn't working even with their rig job. Because look at this. They didn't even have it connected. They had this downspout running all the way over here, killed it right here next to this, and then put this other one in, taped around it. And I don't know what their thoughts were, but this one is never going to have water going here if this is all its own separate unit. So all the water has been over there dumping straight into this corner for God knows how long. Yeah. Please make sure you do it right the first time, guys, because this is just ridiculous. They even used PVC, but PVC only works if it's actually connected, sloped, pitch, put together correctly. This is totally unacceptable and insane. Yeah, it's not connected at all. So all this water has just been dumping into this corner, and then the illusion of this being all connected to go over there to that pop-up. That is just wrong. Don't do this, people. Don't do this. Not only did they have this corner going over there to no man's land to do nothing, they tied in his back downspout back there too, I guess, and came across. Didn't even know that until just now as I went to pull this out of the ground. That's insane, man. What did they think was going to happen? All right, here we go. We have it all dug out. Already put a piece of pipe in to make sure I'm going to have my level. But everything's dug out. We're going to connect it all. It's all going to go all the way down to here. Well, I will have the pop-ups and the mini dry well. So now time to pipe it all up. All right, now I have it all completely piped up. As you can see, starting off from the first downspout, we're downhill level here. Have everything going. Extremely downhill level by the time it gets to this corner. Same after it just goes over. Extremely downhill level. Basically keep that the entire way, all the way down. Extremely downhill level. All the way down here to where we get to the end, which is also extremely downhill to level. Comes down to here. It's where I have the mini dry well, holes drilled in the long neck 90 here. And then this way we have the mini dry well. All the water's gonna come, build up the mini dry well first. Once it builds up, then it'll be able to build up all the way, facilitate onto the grass and go out, water everything else. Then when it is done, it'll be able to drain back into the ground to help prevent against freezing and having a mosquito haven in and around the area. And then that's why you burrito wrap over a filter cloth, just like that. And then everything is done. Now, time to backfill everything and show you exactly how it works. And here we go. This is how you test the system. We put the hose in the clean out furthest away, which in this case is over there. At least until we finally hook up the one way in the back. Everything comes out, comes down, comes all the way down here, and comes to the pop-up. As you can see, it's already made it here. It's filled up the mini dry well, and now as it fills up, it's trying to drain and build up at the same time, so now we have to wait for it to overflow. And when everything maxes out, this is exactly how it's going to look like. Water comes up, facilitates out. Right now, this is only hose pressure, so if we actually had a rain event with head pressure, a lot more water would come out of this quicker. And the water just comes out, builds up all around, ends up building up, and then it's just going to disperse all over the entire yard and slowly make its way towards the street. It's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your basement, crawl space, garage, and usually your yard, except in this case we want it in the yard, by extending out your downspouts properly in PVC. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.